A very good morning to all our customers. This is Anita here for Vastram Silks. Video number 2 of day 1. The second set of Kuppadam cotton silk sarees. We have a set of 8 sarees. This is a sale celebration we have. So we have one more saree which is kept additionally. That's the giveaway or free saree that comes to one of the 8 buyers of this lot. Now let's get into the sarees. These are cotton silk sarees. First we would like to showcase the free saree that's going to be given to one of our customers. So let's showcase that saree first. Then we will get into the cotton silk sarees. We have specifically chosen those set of sarees for the celebration sale. The sarees which are in high demand. This is a linen digital printed kalamkari work saree. This is a very it's a very skin friendly collection, a linen saree. That's a beautiful kalamkari print. It's a digitally printed and beautiful tassels also done. That's the pallu of the saree that we are showing you now. That's the tassels part. It's very beautiful tassels as such. It's got a black base saree on which this kalamkari print has been done. That's the blouse that we are trying to show you now. Now we'll show you the entire saree, how it looks. That's the entire saree. It's such a beautiful saree to own. We have very selectively and uniquely selected those giveaway sarees. Now let's get into the video. This is saree number 1. A budget friendly cotton silk saree which has been in high demand. 2600 is the price. It's a Rama green and a blue combination. Yeah, it's more subtle than the color as it appears in the video. That's the blouse. Beautifully woven border, the Kanchi replica. We will go a little faster for these collections. These are much in demand. That's a beautiful saree. Saree number 2. That's a black with a swan motif and a pink contrast pallu and border. Such a gorgeous saree it is. Double-sided border. The border carries the swan motifs. That's a blouse part. It's a Rani pink and a black. A beautiful combination. Such a lovely saree it is. Now comes the third saree. It's a mustard and a Rani pink combination. We're not going too detailed into each of these sarees because these are our regular collections. So customers who've been buying knows these sarees for their quality and the pricing. These are priced at 2600. That's the detailing of the border. It's a beautiful mehendi green, I should say. Mustard and a mehendi green combined. That is saree number 3 for you. Now let's go into saree number 4. This is another unique color combination, a black and a mango yellow. Such a traditional combination, such a grand rich pallu you have. The border carries beautiful peacocks. Yeah, that's the beautiful peacocks motifs. It's a woven border. The entire body has checkers and motifs in between. That's a black contrast blouse. That's the entire board saree for you. Checkered zari checker and zari motif. Now comes the next saree. It's a maroon and a green combination. This is saree number 5 for you. This is also got heavily zari designed body and a pallu. Budget friendly Kanchi replica these sarees are. Goes off in a jiff, goes off just like that when we post. This is saree number 6. It's a mustard yellow and a blue. This border is so much similar to a Kanchivaram pure silk saree. Such a beautiful combination. Checkered body with a motif inside. That's the blouse part. And that's the pallu. Now comes saree number 7. This is a mehendi green and a blue. combination. This entire body is plain checkers, zari checkers. That's a grand rich border and pallu. Very differently designed border, and blouse is plain with a border for the sleeves. This is the last saree of the lot. It's a very different blue, not the navy blue as it appears. It's little more subtle than what it is. Yeah, that's the border that we are showing you now. This is the entire saree for you. Such beautiful big border at the bottom and a small border on top. The top border does not carry any zari work. So screen friendly, and this is the blouse, plain body color blouse with a contrast pallu. That's the entire saree for you. So as we've already told you, during the sale, for those budget friendly collections, we're not doing any offline blocking. All customers have to go through the link for them to book the sarees. So it's easier for us to choose those winners too. And even overseas clients, we expect them to buy through the links. Shipping, if they want to buy multiple products, will be calculated and given to them through a separate link. So that's how it will be. No offline booking. Please do not message us or call us for us to block any sarees. We are not going to block any of these sarees. So happy shopping. Wait for our next video, and wish you all a very happy anniversary celebrations.